when you include this neurodivergent child in your community, you build the spirit of kindness, the spirit of empathy. This is Candy Pangilinan, and this is the voice of Veritas. Let's talk about inclusion. Inclusion and awareness about neurodivergence or special children. I think awareness is already there, but acceptance is the question. We are already aware that there are neurodivergence or children with disabilities or PWDs, but are we ready to accept them to be beside us? Are we ready to accept them as part of our community? Are we ready to accept them to be part of our community or our workspace? Are we ready to include them in our daily lives? That is another question. Awareness is there, but inclusion is another question. You know, in inclusion, it takes a lot of, actually, it takes not a lot. It takes a little kindness, a little understanding. There's this saying that when you include one special child, when you give this special child or this neurodivergent a chance to be part of a community, you don't only give this child a chance, but you give a whole family hope. And when you give that whole family hope, you give the whole community hope as well. Because when you include this neurodivergent child in your community, you build the spirit of kindness, the spirit of empathy, the spirit of sympathy. And when there is inclusion, there is kindness, there is love, there is unity, and there is oneness. Meaning, there is understanding, even if there are times in our uniqueness, no matter how unique we are, even if we have no disorders or we have no conditions, we are very unique in different ways. They can be more unique in another way, but we are still unique in different ways. But if we can accept them in their uniqueness, then maybe we can accept each other in our unique ways as well. And therefore, if we do that, then maybe we can have a better world, a kinder world, a world when there is love, unity, and understanding, and patience, where we can grow to understand and grow to love the weaknesses of each one. I think that is acceptance, that is inclusion, not only for neurodivergence, but for everyone. This is Candy Pangilinan for the Voice of Veritas Asia.